Very good morning, dear children. Today we are going to learn the topic Methods of Preserving Food, Part 2. If the food prepared for one meal is not finished, then what we do? We keep this extra food in the refrigerator. Today, in the second part, we are going to see an experiment. Take a chapati and divide it into three pieces. Put one piece in a closed box. Roast the second piece on a hot pan to make it crisp without tearing it. Let it cool and put it in a box. If possible, put the third piece in a box and put it in the fridge. Observe these pieces every morning and evening for 2-3 days. What do you see? We see white, black, or greenish fibers like cotton wool growing on the piece of chapati placed in the closed box. It also starts smelling. Whereas for several days we see no such changes in the crisp piece of chapati or the one that was put in the fridge. The cotton wool-like fibrous growth on the chapati is a kind of fungus. A fungus is a type of microorganism. Spores of the fungus are present in air and water. If air, water and warmth are available, then microorganisms grow rapidly in the foodstuffs. You know that microorganisms are present all around us in the air as well as in water. Usually, air, moisture, and warmth are available where food is kept. It means that it is always possible for microorganisms to grow rapidly in our food or foodstuffs. We cannot see them, but if they begin to grow, our food gets spoiled. What will happen if we consume spoiled food? It causes stomachache, diarrhea, vomiting. The nutrition value of such food is also reduced. Sometimes it can even threaten life. In first part of this topic, already we have seen about the methods of food preservation are drying, cooling and boiling. There is one more method, placing in airtight cans. When foodstuffs are preserved in airtight containers, the microorganisms are first destroyed and it is ensured that water or air will not enter the foodstuff. It means that to preserve foodstuffs, the microorganisms in them should be destroyed. Also, they must be placed in conditions in which microorganisms will not grow again. Preservatives. Certain substances are added to jams and pickles to preserve them for a long time. They are called preservatives. Sugar, salt, asafoetida or hing, mustard, oil, and vinegar are examples of preservatives. Spices. Much of the variety in the taste of our foods is due to spices. Every spice has a different flavor or taste. They have strong tastes and flavors and are therefore used in very small quantities. Spices can be dried and stored for a long time. They can be mixed and powdered to make many different masalas. So children, what we have learned today? If air, water and warmth are available, microorganisms grow rapidly in foodstuffs. Some microorganisms cause the foodstuffs to get spoiled. Drying, cooling, boiling and canning foodstuffs as also adding preservatives to them are the different methods of preserving food. I hope you have understood it very well. Thank you.